Introduction. Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology. In this video, we'll be taking a look back at the history of technology, from the earliest tools created by humans to the cutting-edge innovations of today. Body. Humanity has always been fascinated by the idea of creating tools to make life easier. The earliest known tools were made from stone and used by our ancient ancestors to hunt and gather food. As time went on, new materials such as bronze and iron were used to make more complex tools and weapons. It wasn't until the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century that we saw the beginning of modern technology. Steam engines and power looms revolutionized manufacturing and transportation, leading to the creation of the modern factory system. The 20th century brought about even more incredible advances in technology. The invention of the telephone, radio, and television brought people closer together and revolutionized communication. The development of the computer and the internet changed the way we live and work, enabling us to access information and communicate with others from around the world. Today, we are witnessing an explosion of new technologies, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to virtual and augmented reality. The possibilities seem endless, and it's exciting to think about what the future may hold. Conclusion. So, that was a brief overview of the history of technology. From the earliest stone tools to the most advanced AI systems, technology has played a vital role in shaping our world. It's fascinating to see how far we've come and to imagine where we may be headed next. As humans evolved, so did our tools. Our earliest tools were made from natural materials like stone, bone, and wood. These tools were used for hunting, gathering, and preparing food, and were critical to our survival as a species. Over time, we became more skilled at making tools, developing more complex shapes and designs that allowed us to perform increasingly complex tasks. In ancient civilizations, we began to see the emergence of more sophisticated technologies. The Egyptians, for example, developed methods for building massive structures like pyramids and temples, using tools made from copper and bronze. In China, the invention of paper revolutionized communication and paved the way for the development of books and printing. During the Middle Ages, advances in metallurgy led to the creation of more advanced tools and weapons. The introduction of gunpowder in China in the 9th century led to the development of firearms, which would change the face of warfare forever. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, marked a major turning point in the history of technology. The invention of the steam engine revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, leading to the creation of the modern factory system. Textile mills, iron foundries, and coal mines sprang up across Europe and North America, ushering in an era of unprecedented economic growth. The 20th century saw even more dramatic advances in technology. The invention of the telephone, radio, and television brought people closer together and changed the way we communicate. The development of the computer and the internet revolutionized information and communication technology, transforming the way we work and live. Today, we are witnessing an explosion of new technologies, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and quantum computing. These technologies have the potential to transform virtually every aspect of our lives, from the way we travel and communicate to the way we work and play. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a brief history of technology. From the earliest tools made by our ancient ancestors to the cutting-edge technologies of today, humans have been driven by the desire to create tools and machines that make our lives easier and more fulfilling. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that new technologies will bring, and the ways in which they will shape our world in the years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll